Yo, what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm about to show you how you can get DLS 26 diamonds for free. So in this short video, I'm about to show you how you can get DLS 26 diamonds for absolutely free without any problems or troubles. It works for both iOS and Android devices, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can get it. So let's get started. Okay, so my DLS 26 is turning up, and look how crazy this is. I'm getting free diamonds instantly inside of my DLS 26. So without further ado, let me show you how you can get free diamonds on your game. So head over to your browser and search for the website called yetwig.com. Right here in the search bar, type in DLS, and then you're gonna see DLS 26. Click on it. And right here, you need to enter your DLS username or email of your iCloud or Google Play if you're signed up using them. So I'm gonna enter my username, click continue button, looking up for the user spawner. Then right after that, you're gonna choose the platform, the resources, and you're gonna just verify that you're a human. I'm iOS, click continue. Okay. Now you need to choose the amount of diamonds and coins you would like to get for free. Click on generate resources. Okay, and in most cases, right after this step, you're gonna see resources sent page. If you face some device verification step, okay, as you can see, resources sent, and I can just go back to my game and my resources will increase. If you somehow face device version verification, make sure that you follow those steps and that you complete that thing, because they sometimes need to verify your iOS or Android version so they can prepare the best working version of the patch for you. And that is how to get free diamonds in DLS 26. Thank you guys for watching, and smash that like button if this worked out for you. Peace.